If you're looking for a powerful graphics card for smooth 1440p gaming, the PowerColor Reaper RX 9070 GRE is definitely worth considering. In this video, we'll cover its specifications, compatibility requirements, strengths, limitations, and who it's best suited for. This graphics card features AMD's RDNA 4 architecture, 12 GB of GDDR6 memory, 48 compute units, and a boost clock designed to deliver excellent performance in today's modern games. Before purchasing, make sure your PC case has enough room. The card measures approximately 304 mm long, 127 mm tall, and 42 mm thick. For an easier installation, I recommend having at least 315 to 320 mm of available clearance inside your case. Power requirements are straightforward. AMD recommends at least a 650 watt power supply, and this model uses two standard 8-pin PCIe power connectors. Unlike some newer graphics cards, it does not require the newer 12 VHPWR connector. The RX 9070 GRE also supports PCI Express 5.0 and works perfectly in PCIe 4.0 systems, making it compatible with most modern AMD and Intel motherboards. For display connectivity, you'll get 3 DisplayPort 2.1a outputs and 1 HDMI 2.1b port, allowing support for high refresh rate gaming monitors and multiple display setups. Some of this card's biggest strengths include excellent 1440p gaming performance, modern ray tracing improvements, efficient cooling with its triple fan design, standard power connectors, and a compact 2-slot design that fits into many mid-tower cases. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. The 12 GB of memory may become limiting in certain future games at ultra settings, and because this is still a large graphics card, you'll want to verify your case dimensions before ordering. Overall, the PowerColor Reaper RX 9070 GRE is an excellent choice for gamers looking for strong 1440p performance, modern features, and broad system compatibility without moving into significantly more expensive graphics cards.